Hey, what's up, guys? This is Robert Barry coming to you today with a special free training video for all of my team members that either would have been, but at some point in time, either view this video via YouTube or in the back office in the Meet Your Sponsor section. All right. And so this training today, guys, is going to be especially for persons that are on my team. All right. And one of the things that I want to reveal to you during this training today is a lucrative traffic source that you can tap into to create a second stream of income. All right, having multiple streams of incomes isn't a bad thing at all. And so today I want to show you how I tie in my $25 one-up system into this traffic source and how I get commissions and make sales all in one space using this particular traffic source. All right, so basically this traffic source has an affiliate link to it, and so when you go ahead and you push the traffic, you get discounts. When you go ahead and you recommend persons to it, you get discounts, they get discounts, everybody wins. All right, but before I go that, just to show to you or prove to you that I'm shooting this video at the time that I'm shooting this video, I'm just going to dash over to YouTube, show you time and place that I'm shooting this video in. From there, I'm going to take you over to the back office of $25 run up right quick. Then I'm going to take you over to our Facebook proof group, so you can see that it's not only me that having success with this system. This is an awesome system. This is very, very newbie friendly. All right, guys, I want to take you over to Google right now. What time? Oh, snaps. What time is it in the... Okay, guys, so at the recording of this video, you can see it's 7:36 Tuesday, January 15, 2019. All right. And so, guys, just before I get into the nitty-gritty of things, I am also now going to take you over to Facebook. Sorry, not Facebook, to my email, so you guys can see the amount of traffic that I'm garnering from this simple traffic source, right? So you can see as of 7:26 a.m. I've already gotten 41 opt-ins. Okay, and so what that simply means is that up to 7:26, 41 persons are already interested in my business for the day. All right, so as you can see here, January 3rd, I had 2. I had another 2. This is January 30, and I had 22 persons interested. 3. So you guys can see that I'm getting consistent opt-ins with this traffic source. All right. Now, to show you a little proof and that this opportunity is marketable at this juncture, I want to take you guys over to the Facebook proof group, guys, and this is where the magic happens. This is where you need to bring all of your prospects so that they can see that other persons are actually having success with this business. This is one of the places where I try to get everyone that opts in, everyone that questions me about the $25 one-up business. I add you into the community, and you are able to see persons having life-changing experiences. And guys, this business is basically a simple show and tell, copy and paste, right? So right here, right now, you're looking at our proof group where we add all of our prospects, all of our team members show proof of income. So 6 hours ago, you can see Brandon Brown had a $1,500 day. He had made over $2,000 the day before. I mean, the last 7 days, he made over $9,000, and his all time is over $17,000, guys. So success, success, success. Big shout outs to Brandon Brown. Congratulations. Keep pushing it. And so, guys, you can see there's a lot of money to be made with it within this opportunity, and for the potential that this business, but for the potential of monies that you can make in this business, this is relatively easy. Anybody can do this. If I can do this, I am sure that any one of you that is out there viewing this video, you are able to come in and crush it. All right, so I'm just going to show you. Here's Shamika, adding someone to the group, welcoming in. You can see 12 hours ago, I welcomed the person into the group. All right, this is Brandon showing some more income proof. Over 8,000 in 7 days, 15,000 all time. All right, I'm saying this is awesome, great work. Guys, this is so amazing. This is so amazing. This opportunity is amazing. I would recommend anybody to get in on the ground level and work your way up. Oh, while we're here, what I'm going to do quick, I'm going to show you. I'm going to go behind the scenes and I'm going to give you a little insight on what the back office looks like. I'm just going to briefly show you the dashboard. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, this is what the dashboard looks like. So when you go ahead and you create your account, when you get to your main dashboard, this is what your $25 one-up dashboard is going to look like. All right. And now I want to take you over to the reason, the beef of why I decided to shoot this video. I wanted to introduce to you my traffic source that I've been having great success with. All right. And that traffic source is none other than Udemy. All right. One of the reasons that I like most about Udemy is it is filled with a wide variety of solo ad vendors. Also, they give you a lot. So it has an affiliate program attached to it. And just to give you a little more insight on how great the affiliate program is, here is it. 15% from all orders of your referrals, up to 50% from all prime referrals. All your referrals receive a 5% discount instantly after registration. All payments are recurring and lifetime. And so once if I refer John Doe to Udemy, goes ahead, click on my link, sign up for registration. The minute you go ahead and you purchase your first solo ad, you get a $5 discount. When you sign up, and they give you click on your affiliate link and you give that to someone and they like what they see and they go ahead and they purchase, you would make a 15% commission from whatever the dollar value is of the solo traffic that they would have purchased. And what I like, it makes it, this is a very easy site. If you have a particular traffic vendor that you want to search up, so you guys come right here, and you can look at a slew of traffic vendors, and every day of the week, every day of the week, there's a solo ad. There's a whole heap of solo ad, guys. You guys can come in here, look around. You can just click on the solo ad deals. So there's clicks going for 39 cents. You get 20% off, 35%. You can see the amount of orders that this person pushed out over the last couple of weeks. And this is so awesome, guys. You guys can come here, shop around. One thing that I would say do when you get in here is to just look at the reviews. All right, so I'm going to click on this person's, right? So you can see 100% legitimate traffic, no junk traffic. I mean, guys, you can, this is very, oh, another thing that's very important. These are all of my links that I would have promoted right now. And so once you're setting up your registration, you come in and you're signing up, they're going to ask for an affiliate link. And the affiliate link that you would punch in or that you would give them would be your $25 one-up affiliate link. And so I purchased a domain, and so my domain is freedomplanforyou.com. So any solo ad that I come in and I purchase, it would automatically, my traffic would be directed to freedomplanforyou.com. All right. And you get all of these tabs here. If you're running a solo ad and a solo ad vendor messages you, you can come here. You can see a conversation. I just purchased 500 clicks just a couple of days ago. This is a conversation that I and the traffic vendor are having. All right, so guys, I don't want to take up too much of your time. I just wanted to give you a brief introduction to my traffic source. So you guys can come in here. If you have any questions, please get with me. I'm going to put my affiliate link at the bottom of this video so you guys can click in and go in and create your free account. All right, there's no charge to come in and create your free account. However, whenever you do decide to purchase a solo ad, you would have to go and purchase your solo ad. All right, you guys be blessed. I'll see you on another video very soon.